And today, we're in Porbandar by a crashing ocean.
Porbandar is best known as the birthplace of India's favorite son, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
And we're here to find out what Porbandar has to offer in terms of food. One specialty that I know of is called a khajli, and no, it's not a skin rash.
Khajli is one of the most favorite snacks here in Porbandar.
But what we're looking out for also are the dhabas over here, and no, they're not called dhabas. They're known as paratha homes.
And in the true tradition of Bapu, this time round, no lifts. We're going to walk into the city.
We're standing here in front of the Anand Khajli shop, and no, we don't know how to read Gujarati. It's written in English on the other side, and it fills me with pride and joy to be here where Bapu was born.
We're in the Rani Bagh area on Mahatma Gandhi Road, and the Anand Khajli is somewhere where everybody seems to come to get some snacks. There's different types of khajli. There's masala, there's sweet, there's stuff with holes in it, and it seems to be everyone's favorite snack food. We're with Mr. Vipul Koteja, and his father owns the shop, as does he, and here are the different types of khajli.
तीन टाइप की है, स्वीट, प्लेन और नमकीन।
ये कौन सी है?
ये प्लेन वाली, ये नमकीन वाली।
Once again, the khajli, probably best had with tea. इसको चाय के साथ पीते हैं विपुल जी? So खाते हैं मतलब?
चाय, कॉफी।
So tea, coffee, whatever you like, you eat it with that. You dip it and you eat it. This is fairly plain. It's just like a biscuit. In fact, the closest I can get to is a rusk, but it's not sweet. How's that?
The one I've got is definitely not plain. It's got a few mustard seeds in it, some sort of spices. There's rows and rows of boxes already all lined up there, ready for someone to come and have them. And he's saying they sell about 50 in a day. When you're hungry and when you're really hungry, you eat a couple of boxes, which I'm about to do.
We'll let him get on with his business. There's a whole crowd building up over there. Things are going to get not non-violent if we don't let him go.
We're done with our snacks. Now on to the main meal.
Have you paid him?
Yeah.
Run for it.
After that nice appetizer of khajli on the crowded, noisy, bustling streets of Porbandar, we've come to the most highly recommended paratha place. It's called the Sri Gayatri Paratha House on Bus Station Road.
This is the strange part, as we discussed earlier. Why are they called paratha houses? There's one over there. There's another one just down the road. There's another one opposite. And this one is the most famous one. All the dhabas are called paratha houses. So far, we've been able to determine they're not made out of parathas, they're made out of bricks. Let's go and find out more about them and get inside.
This is the takeaway counter, and now that we're here, it's closed.
We don't want to be bad to you.
Okay.
It's okay, it's okay. Girish Bhai is going to be serving us for the next 20 minutes. But after that, you guys can come in and get your meal. In case you want to take a quick packing and walk away from here, this is the place where you do it. If you want to sit down and enjoy your meal, come around. We'll tell you how to do it.
जी इसको परोठा बोलते हैं, यही आपका परोठा? इसका और कोई नाम भी है?
नहीं, थेपला बोलते हैं इधर।
Thepla. What we call a paratha is called a thepla here, and it's got methi, which is fenugreek, in it.
Fenugreek. Very good, very good. We always like to use big words on the show like fenugreek, etc. ये तो आलू लग रहा है मेरे को। ये डबेली वाला आलू होता है, ये वैसा ही आलू है?
नहीं, ये लहसुन वाला आलू होता है।
लहसुन आलू।
हाँ, लहसुन आलू।
तो ये काठियावाड़ी खाना बोलेंगे आप इसको या क्या बोलेंगे?
काठियावाड़ी बोलेंगे।
Kathiyawadi style में. So here we go again. Once again, we recognize by the face of it, it's Kathiyawadi food. I'm tying myself up in knots over here. और ये क्या है इतना मोटा मोटा सफेद चना?
नहीं, ये जो बेसन का बना दे, बड़ी बना के डाला हुआ है।
Take a look at these. This is besan ka?
बड़ी बेसन की बड़ी।
Besan ki badi. This is besan ki badi. Try one. I love Kathiyawadi cuisine. It's got so much flavor in it.
People are so confident of the quality of their food that they're not too concerned about making a lot. They have a certain amount, they make it, and they know that at the end of every day, it's going to be completely sold out. Especially if you have animals like us coming here to have a bite.
Yeah, but this is fantastic. Because I'm a culinary expert and I know all these things, I'm going to call it, and Girish bhai is going to tell me if it's all the same. Khichdi. और ये है सेव टमाटर, ये है दाल पालक, ये है रिंगड़ा, और ये है कड़ी, और ये है दाल फिर से। ये वाला दाल और वो वाला दाल में क्या फर्क है?
वो कांदा वाला है, ये प्योर गुजराती है। दाल चावल वाला है,
बिना कांदा। हाँ, so here we go. One dal has onions, one doesn't. The pure Gujarati one doesn't have onions. Come down to Gayatri Paratha home quickly, like we're gonna go. जल्दी करो। गिरीश भाई हमको 6 परोठा और सब कुछ दो।
Thank you.
We're here with Mr. R.C. Trivedi and Jignesh bhai. They've got their food and we haven't got ours yet. आप लोग शुरू कीजिए ना, हम लोग भी थोड़ा लेते रहेंगे बीच में, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? हाँ,
please.
साथ में
हाँ, to be polite. तो आप लोग ग्रामीण रूरल बैंक में आप लोग काम करते हैं. मिस्टर त्रिवेदी इज अ मैनेजर एंड जिग्नेश has just joined them. तो घर में गुजरात में घर में लोग ऐसा ही खाना पकाते हैं?
हाँ, जनरली जो यहाँ पे जो मेनू है वो जनरली सेम ही रहता है.
Generally same. That is ringras, rotlas,
प्लस ऊंधियू. This is ऊंधियू.
What they're eating here is called ondiyu, which is stew, vegetable stew. It's very famous. A lot of people in Gujarat eat it. And unfortunately right now we're not eating it. We're watching other people eat it.